natural ways to help with dizziness quickly. If you or someone you know suffers from frequent bouts of dizziness, you have probably been desperate to find relief. Although most of us suffer from dizziness at one time or another, chronic dizziness is not normal. Most people don't realize that dizziness itself is not a disease, but rather a symptom of some other conditions such as hypoglycemia, anemia, ear infections, migraines, anxiety disorder, neurological problems, low blood pressures, heart disease, or allergies. Sometimes dizziness is simply due to the simple things such as motion sickness, stress, hormonal changes, dehydration, or a side effect from medication. First, deep breathing. This is perhaps one of the simplest and easiest way to deal with the dizzy spells. This provides you with the adequate oxygen to brain, which should relax the nerve system and reduce feelings of dizziness. Sit or lie down comfortably and block one nostril with your finger. Now fill your belly with the air and hold your breath for the count of 2 and then exhale slowly. Repeat by closing off the other nostril. Do this 10 times, 5 sides each nostrils, or until your dizziness passes. Be sure to get up quickly to avoid becoming dizzy once more. Second, mustard and salt. This is an old home remedy that helps dizziness by improving blood circulation. Mix 1 teaspoon each of mustard, salt, vinegar, and pepper. Mix these ingredients in 1 glass of water and drink this each day to prevent dizziness and to stop an attack if it happens. Third, get some H2O. Dizzy spells often happen when the body becomes dehydrated. At the first sign of dizziness, try drinking a full glass of water and see if this will do the trick. You can then follow up that with some herbal tea, soup, or broth. Find out more about signs of dehydration. Fourth, ginkgo biloba. This is a great herb for those who suffer from dizzy spell. It improves blood flow to the brain, which can stop or prevent dizziness. This herb is also helpful for those with tinnitus, which also can lead to dizzy spell. This herb is super popular, so you will find it available in liquid extract, tablet, or dried leaf form. Most people consume 150 mg of biloba extract divided into 3 equal doses taken each day. Ginkgo biloba can interact with certain medication. Always consult your physician before consuming this herbal supplement to avoid dangerous side effects, of course. Fifth, grab a bite. Sometimes dizziness is caused by low blood sugar, especially if you are diabetic. For some people, simply being hungry can lead to a dizzy spell. If you have tried drinking some water and it didn't help, try grabbing a bite to eat. It's especially helpful to consume a snack that is high in carbohydrates, such as bananas or an ounce of dark chocolate. A cup of yogurt with some fruit is also a good choice. Some people find that a handful of nuts also does the trick. Sixth, cumin and nutmeg. This is an old representative that is meant to be consumed twice per day for few weeks. Mix 1 teaspoon each of cumin seed powder and nutmeg. Mix this in a glass of water or fruit juice. Remember to drink this twice each day to help prevent dizzy spells before they even hit.
Thanks for watching.